Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this makeup look, you guys. I know it's been a while since I posted. I am so sorry, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyways, so now I'm going to be using the Hean luxury banana powder, which I got from Glamore. I will definitely put down the Instagram handle down below so you can go check out this stuff. So basically I'm just setting my concealer under my brows, just to set it in place, that it doesn't move during the day. Yeah, and I'm also going to be setting my eyebrows because I want them to stay in place, as well as I applied an eyebrow gel on them, so I want that to kind of stay in place as well. Do you notice I am using a new set of brushes? Well, I'm mixing with my old ones, but I am using a new set of brushes which are from Miniso. I will tag the Instagram handle down below and obviously put maybe their website link as well, so you guys can check them out. Okay, now I'm using the Billion Gold palette in Golden Age, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm using those two shades as like my transition shade. Well, actually, you know what? Yeah, basically I'm just going to mix them all together. I am going to stop applying the orange shade on my crease, on the outer corners of my crease, and kind of blend it in and just around my crease. And I am going to dip in there again so that the color is clear and the color can pop. So the Billion Gold palettes are actually one of my favorite palettes. They are so pigmented, you guys. Like, I really love them, and I'll also put down a link to their Instagram account down in the description box so that you guys can go shop the items. They are so bomb. Well, the palettes, that's what I mean. Okay, next up I'll still be using the same palette, and I'm just gonna go in with the brown. Well, it's more of a maroonish brown, so I don't get that color, but yeah, I'm going to be using that color. Okay, so I'm going to start by placing it on the outer corner of my crease, of course, and just blend it in to the inner corners of, you know what I mean, of my crease, if that makes sense. And I'm just also trying to blend it in with the orange so it looks like, you know what I mean, like I didn't just place the color on my crease. Although the brownish color, or rather the maroonish color, did, you know, dominate, but you know, you can still see the orange. Next up I'm going to be using my Morden dollz palette, which I'm not quite sure which one it is. I always get so confused, but I'm going to be using the black in that palette. That's the only color I'm going to be using in that palette. I will also put down a link to the Instagram account so that you can shop the palettes or the items and kind of check out what they have on sale. Okay, so I am going to be using the black shade in the Morden dollz palette to define my crease, to give it that thing, do you know what I mean? So that when I do cut my crease, do you know what I mean? You guys understand what I'm saying? You guys get it. Okay, I'm going to do the very same thing on the other eye as well. And now I'm going to like blend everything in. I want to blend in the black with the brown as well as the orange, so everything just looks like snatched, do you know what I mean? Because I've been saying, do you know what I mean? But anyways, now I'm going to be cutting my crease, and I am using a flat brush, a flat round brush, and I'm also using my eyelook Pro HD concealer in the color Warm Honey to cut my crease. And I'm kind of like cutting half my crease and not my full crease, so yeah. now I'm just literally like blending the concealer in and just making sure like it's even, so that I don't have like places where I have a lot of products and all of that. So I'm still using the Billion Dolls the Billion Girls Golden Age palette, and I'm using the green color on the palette. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply that right on top of my concealer. And yeah, I didn't set the concealer, I didn't do anything to it, just applied the eyeshadow straight on top of the wet concealer. Okay guys, when applying the shadow on your concealer or your cut crease, make sure that you apply it neatly so everything looks like together. So make sure like on the lining of your cut crease, make sure you take your time and actually apply the shadow in line with your concealer, so that everything can just look in order, and you know, so you look like you know what you're doing. Okay, so I'm doing the other eye. I'm doing the exact same thing on my other eye. Next up, I took the black from the Morden Dollz palette, and I'm basically creating like a smoky situation on my eyes. So I'm using the black and I'm trying to to create that smoky thing and the drama to my eyes, because I do feel like they were plain. I did feel like they were plain, so the black kind of added a bit of drama, honey, drama. So when using black, you need to make sure that you are gentle with it, you take your time, because I'm telling you, black can create such a mess. So make sure you are gentle with it, as well as you blend it in, blend. And also with the black, I did move it to the inner corners of my cut crease just a bit, just to define my cut crease. So don't apply a lot, just like a little bit. Now I'm going to be using my Glitter Gang palette, and I'm going to take the green glitter, and I'm just literally going to apply just a little bit. The aim was not to apply a lot, it was just to apply a bit, like one glitter there, one glitter there, one glitter there, just to create that zazz. Do you know what I mean? When I close my eyes and I open, that's what I'm talking about, honey. I mean, I didn't put on a lot, but I mean, when the flash is literally like on your eyes, it does the most. Okay, now I'm going to be using my CYO foundation. You guys can get this from Discam, and it retails for 50 rand. It was on promotion. I think it's still on promotion. I don't know when it's going to end. Okay, and as you guys saw, I kind of forgot my primer, but you guys know I use the Babyface Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser primer. So yeah, I did not apply it. I don't know where my mind was at, but anyways, now I'm going to be using my eyelook Gold Pro concealer in mahogany. I know, I just can't say the word, but anyways, I'm going to be using that shade. And I'm just gonna contour, honey. I'm just gonna like, so it can look a bit snatched, just a bit snatched. Okay, and I'm just going to basically blend in the concealer. I mean, I know the concealer is a bit too dark for my skin tone, but you know what? You know, it does the damn thing. So now I'm gonna be using my Fit Me concealer. My Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 or 25. I'm not too sure, but it's between those two. And then I'm just going to blend it in using my flat brush. Guys, don't forget to look at my brushes, because wow, Miniso did the damn thing with this brushes, you guys. wow, I'm impressed. I got the price, all the brushes for literally like 200 rand. Can you imagine? So now I'm setting with the Hean banana luxury powder, where I obviously applied my concealer. Okay, so next I'm using my eyelook Pro HD Press powder in chestnut, and I'm basically just setting my contour as well as just like contouring over my cream contour, if that makes sense. Now I'm just removing, kind of taking off my bake. It's not really bake, but do you know what I mean? I'm just removing my setting powder because I don't want to look, I don't know really actually. Now I'm going to be using my essence setting mist, which I recently got. Someone told me about it and I was like, you know what, it's I'm gonna try it, and I think it's a setting spray, really, like nothing major. Now I'm gonna be using my essence lip liner in I'll just write it down here on the screen. No, I won't. Okay, wait, I don't know the name of this. Okay, anyway, moving on. And I'm using okay, so I was using my matte my essence matte lip glosses. So yeah, and I'm just going to use my Max Factor lip gloss, which is in pink. It's like a pink. It has no shade color or whatever. Yeah. Oh yeah, and the lip liner was Deeply. The name of that lip liner is Deeply Intoxicated. There we go. I remembered. Okay, now I'm just using my all-time favorite bronzer, which I got from Foschini Colors. You guys won't believe this. You guys know this is my ultimate highlight, bronzer, everything all in one. Literally, I love it because it gives such a subtle glow to my face. I'm not for like a very sharp highlight, so I really love it. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel. Make sure to like this video, comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you love what you see. Love you. Bye.